Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Tiara Makia. Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you're returning. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my lash extensions, not to be confused with individual lashes. These are like semi-permanent, like they fall out when your lashes fall out. These are the products I'm going to be using today. I ordered everything from Amazon and everything will be linked below. I didn't use all four sets of tweezers, but it came in a set. And then these lashes in this set, I used the 13 and 12 milliliter length, or millimeter. And then I used the Stacy Lash glue, which they recommended and was really good, had really good reviews on Amazon. Excuse how crusty I look, y'all. I literally decided to do this at like 12 o'clock midnight. So this is makeup from like all day, but here you can see how my lashes look with and without the lash extensions. And so I'm going to show you guys a picture of how they look really full, or you can do them where they look very natural, like how they look now. And if you want them to be very full, you can grab 2 or 3 clusters of lashes and place them more closely together. If you want them natural like so, then you can only grab like 1 lash at a time. Okay, so to start off, I clean my lashes, make sure there's no oil, no dirt or anything on them. I've already kind of wiped around my eye. And then I take a mascara spoolie and I brush my lashes out and make sure that they are detangled and they are not all on top of each other, but my lashes are really short and curly. Next, I'm shaking up the Stacy Lash glue. You have to shake it up really good for about 30 seconds. And then I'm placing 2 dots on a piece of paper because literally that's all it takes. So these are the 2 tweezers I'm using, and these are what the lashes look like close up. And I've already done some, so, well, you know the first dot. That's why there's missing. But for a natural look, I just take 1 lash at a time, and for a fuller look, a little bit more glam, I take like 2 or 3 clusters of lashes. But I just lightly place them on my lashes. I try to separate my lashes with the tweezers so I can single one out and lay it gently on that. If you only want a little bit of glue on there, so you see how I wiped a little bit off. You don't even want a big bead, you want like a small amount because this glue is really strong. And really I'm not supposed to be doing this on myself, but I always like to try to do things by myself, DIY. And this glue, if it gets in your eye, you can have some serious problems, because when I opened it, it seriously smelled just like super glue. But yeah, all I do is just take the lashes, I separate, try to like single out 1 lash, dip the lash in some glue, and then I place the lash on the lash that I singled out. And it's pretty self-explanatory, and if they start sticking together, just make sure you pull them apart before the glue sets. And when you're setting the lash down, make sure you hold it in place for maybe 5 seconds, so that it bonds to your actual lash. And this glue is completely waterproof. You can't get your eyes wet for about 24 hours, but after that you can go swimming, you can wash your face and get the lashes wet, and they will not come off, period. Now, I don't show the whole process of my eye because something happened with the footage, but this is basically what I do. And I start with the middle, go to the outer corner, and then to the inner corner, middle, outer corner, inner corner, and that's how I apply the lashes. So it gives them time to set, and I'm not messing with the lashes in the same area, if that makes sense. So here's what the lashes look like, and again I take that mascara spoolie brush excuse me, and comb the lashes out, make sure they're not sticking together, all that good stuff. And this is the final look. Very soft, very natural. if you want them full. Like I said, this is how they look when I do 2-3 clumps of lashes at a time, but right here I only did 1 lash at a time. Then a little side view, close up, and you see how they look just like my lashes, like you don't see clumps of glue. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Comment any questions you have below. Bye, my loves.